Developed by MKE, the Attila 155mm vehicle-mounted howitzer emerges as a new generation artillery system designed for the demands of modern warfare. Built on a 6x6 tactical wheeled platform, Attila reaches speeds of up to 85 kilometers per hour with an operational range of 850 kilometers, allowing it to maneuver quickly across complex terrain and reposition immediately after firing missions. The system is equipped with a 52 caliber 155mm gun capable of firing 6 rounds per minute, supported by an onboard capacity of 38 rounds, plus additional illuminating and smoke ammunition, ensuring continuous battlefield operations. Its semi-automatic loading system and integrated electronic fire control enhance both speed and accuracy, enabling precise targeting while maintaining a high tempo of fire. Set to be unveiled for the first time at SAHA 2026, Attila reflects MKE's latest approach to mobile artillery systems designed for modern operational environments. Turkey has officially unveiled the Yildirimhan intercontinental ballistic missile at the SAHA Defense Exhibition, marking the country's most ambitious long-range missile program to date. Developed by the Turkish Ministry of National Defense's R&D Center, the missile represents a major step in Ankara's effort to expand its strategic strike capabilities and strengthen its defense industry independence. According to information presented during the exhibition, Yildirimhan is reported to have a range of up to 6,000 kilometers, placing it in the same category as some of the world's most advanced long-range ballistic missile systems, including China's DF-26. The missile is also said to reach speeds of up to Mach 25, making interception extremely difficult for current air defense systems. The system uses 4 rocket engines and liquid fuel propulsion based on nitrogen tetroxide. Turkish officials describe it as one of the country's most advanced domestically developed missile projects, capable of carrying a payload reportedly reaching 3,000 kilograms. Its unveiling reflects Turkey's broader strategy to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers while expanding capabilities in missiles, drones, air defense systems, and aerospace technologies. The appearance of Yildirimhan at SAHA 2026 also signals Ankara's ambition to join the limited group of nations able to field intercontinental range ballistic missile systems. Although many technical and operational details remain undisclosed, the missile's debut immediately drew international attention because of its potential strategic reach across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. Analysts also see the project as another sign of Turkey's growing focus on long-range deterrence and strategic military autonomy. At SAHA 2026 in Istanbul, Aselsan has unveiled a new generation of unmanned naval strike systems designed for the future of maritime warfare. The company introduced the Kilik family of kamikaze autonomous underwater vehicles, including the lightweight Kilik-10 and the larger Kilik-200. Built for asymmetric naval warfare and covert missions, these systems combine stealth, autonomous navigation, swarm capability, and precision strike functions against both surface and underwater targets. The compact Kilik-10 can be deployed by a single operator and uses thermal imaging, acoustic communications, and low-signature propulsion for covert attacks in contested environments. The heavier Kilik-200 expands the concept with greater range and payload capacity, allowing strikes against ports, subsea infrastructure, and critical maritime assets. Aselsan also unveiled Tufan, a new kamikaze unmanned surface vehicle capable of autonomous and swarm operations. Designed for high-speed attacks, reconnaissance, and precision engagements, Tufan reflects Turkey's growing focus on distributed and networked naval warfare. Together, these systems highlight how autonomous platforms are becoming a central element of Turkey's Blue Homeland maritime strategy.
This is the Anka-III, the next-generation stealth unmanned combat aircraft developed by Turkish Aerospace, and at SAHA Expo 2026, It arrived carrying a message the world could not ignore. Mounted beneath its wings were two Super Simsek Strike UAVs, compact, expendable drones designed to penetrate deep into contested airspace, not as support systems, but as force multipliers. The unveiling marked a major evolution in Turkey's unmanned warfare strategy. Because the Anka-III is not designed to fight alone, it is designed to command a network of intelligent, expendable systems capable of overwhelming even the most advanced air defense environments. With its tailless flying wing design, minimal radar signature, and high subsonic performance, Anka-III represents Turkey's leap into the era of stealth combat aviation. Unlike traditional drones built primarily for surveillance and permissive strike operations, Anka-III was engineered for survival inside heavily defended airspace. Its role is clear: penetrate, coordinate, disrupt, strike. The Anka-III combines stealth with endurance, internal weapon bays with modular payload flexibility, and advanced sensor integration capable of intelligence gathering, targeting, electronic attack, and strike coordination. Future integrations are expected to include AESA radar systems, infrared search and track capability, electronic intelligence suites, anti-radiation weapons, cruise missiles, and beyond visual range engagement support. Every system serves one purpose: to dominate the modern battlefield without placing pilots directly into the highest risk zones. At SAHA Expo 2026, the message from Turkey was unmistakable: the battlefield is changing. Air superiority is no longer defined by a single fighter jet, but by intelligent networks of stealth platforms, autonomous drones, and coordinated electronic warfare systems. A new generation of combat aviation has arrived.
Turkish defense manufacturer BMC has unveiled the new Pamir 4x4 light tactical vehicle, a platform designed to answer the evolving operational demands of modern warfare. Developed for rapid mobility missions in hybrid and asymmetric environments, the Pamir reflects lessons learned by the Turkish armed forces during years of counterinsurgency operations, as well as the broader transformation of mobility warfare seen in conflicts such as Ukraine and the Middle East. The vehicle combines high mobility, modularity, and operational simplicity in a compact 4x4 configuration intended for reconnaissance, patrol, border security, troop transport, and rapid intervention missions. According to BMC, the Pamir was designed to operate across difficult terrain ranging from mountainous regions to urban combat zones, where maneuverability and speed often matter more than heavy armor. Its architecture prioritizes flexibility, allowing the vehicle to be adapted for different mission profiles through modular equipment and weapon integration. The development of the Pamir also highlights how Turkey's defense industry continues to focus on domestically produced land systems tailored to the operational realities faced by Turkish forces. Unlike heavier armored platforms designed for conventional mechanized warfare, the Pamir appears optimized for distributed operations and rapid deployment. The emergence of lighter tactical platforms capable of supporting decentralized units has become especially visible, since the war in Ukraine demonstrated the vulnerability of larger formations and heavier vehicles to precision strikes and loitering munitions. With the Pamir, BMC positions itself within a growing global market for light tactical vehicles capable of combining survivability, mobility, and multi-role flexibility. The platform illustrates how Turkey's defense industry is adapting its vehicle designs not only to national operational experience, but also to the changing character of modern land warfare.
Hello, this is Mert Nakışlı. I'm working as a mechanical systems team lead in Tekatron. Tekatron is a defense company based in Ankara. We mainly design and develop unmanned ground vehicles. We have experience in platform design, undercarriage chassis, anything you name actually. We have a tracked vehicle family. You see the largest one here. We can only fit this one here, but we have a product line starting from 300 kilograms up to 3 tons. This one named TREM, Tracked Electric Modular Vehicle, is already in use by Turkish Armed Forces in different configurations. And now you see here with a weapon system and an ISR system configuration, but we have different anti-tank ground missile weapons or logistics, case vacuum, medevac configurations as well. And we just launched a wheeled 4x4 vehicle in this exhibition as well.
At SAHA Expo 2026, Turkish propulsion specialist DELTAV presented one of the most ambitious aerospace projects currently under development in Turkey, the HISTEPP hypersonic test platform. Designed as a reusable technology demonstrator rather than a weapon system, HISTEPP is intended to support the testing of future hypersonic subsystems, propulsion technologies, and flight profiles at speeds exceeding Mach 5. The two-stage testbed reflects Turkey's growing investment in advanced rocket and space propulsion technologies. Measuring more than 11 meters long and weighing around 2.8 tons at launch, HISTEPP uses hybrid rocket propulsion combining solid paraffin-based fuel with different oxidizers for each stage. The first stage relies on liquid oxygen for high thrust during boost, while the upper stage uses nitrous oxide to simplify operations at high altitude and near-space conditions. According to information displayed at the exhibition, the platform is capable of reaching altitudes above 200 kilometers while maintaining hypersonic velocity. DELTAV also highlighted the use of throttleable propulsion and hot staging technology, allowing greater flexibility during flight transitions and trajectory control. The unveiling of HISTEPP comes as Turkey accelerates efforts in strategic missile and space technologies. While the platform itself is intended primarily for research and testing, its development demonstrates the country's ambition to master high-speed propulsion systems and eventually support future hypersonic applications.
In the heart of innovation, at SAHA Expo 2026 in Istanbul, one machine captured the attention of the world. Not just a drone, not simply a fighter aircraft, but a new chapter in aerial warfare. This is the Bayraktar Kizilelma, developed by Bayraktar, Turkey's next-generation unmanned combat aircraft. A symbol of technological independence, a fusion of artificial intelligence, stealth, speed, and autonomous combat capability. At SAHA Expo 2026, Kizilelma stood center stage, representing the future of air dominance. With its aggressive fighter jet profile, low radar visibility, and high maneuverability, Kizilelma is designed to operate in the most contested combat environments on Earth. Powered for high-speed operations and advanced autonomous missions, it bridges the gap between traditional fighter jets and the future of AI-driven warfare. But what truly makes Kizilelma revolutionary is its ability to think, adapt, and strike with precision. Equipped with advanced AESA radar systems, infrared tracking technology, and smart targeting capabilities, the aircraft can perform air-to-air combat, deep strike missions, and coordinated autonomous operations alongside manned fighters. Inside the exhibition halls of SAHA Expo, defense leaders, military delegations, and aerospace experts gathered around one question: what comes after the fifth-generation fighter? For many, the answer was standing right before them. Kizilelma represents more than engineering excellence. It represents a strategic transformation in modern warfare. And at SAHA Expo 2026, the world witnessed another historic milestone. Bayraktar signed the first international export agreement for Kizilelma with Indonesia, marking the beginning of a new era for unmanned fighter aircraft on the global stage. From autonomous formation flights to precision-guided strike tests to serial production readiness, Kizilelma is no longer a concept of the future. It is operational ambition becoming reality, a machine born from vision, built through innovation, and designed to redefine air combat for decades to come.
At SAHA Expo 2026 in Istanbul, Turkey's defense industry once again showcased its growing technological ambitions. And at the center of attention stood the Altay main battle tank. As one of the exhibition's flagship armored platforms, the Altay demonstrated Turkey's drive to build a modern, domestically produced armored force capable of meeting the demands of contemporary warfare. Surrounded by next-generation defense systems and advanced battlefield technologies, the Altay reflected the evolution of Turkish land power and the country's increasing defense independence. Designed for high-intensity combat environments, the Altay combines heavy firepower, advanced protection, and strong battlefield mobility into a next-generation combat platform. The tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore main gun capable of engaging armored targets with precision at long range. Its advanced fire control system enables accurate engagement while moving, both day and night and in difficult weather conditions. Composite armor protection, laser warning systems, and active protection technologies are integrated to improve survivability against modern anti-tank threats. Weighing approximately 65 tons, the Altay maintains impressive mobility across rough terrain while supporting a four-man crew consisting of commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Its digital battlefield architecture allows the tank to communicate seamlessly with infantry units, drones, and other armored formations in real time, making it a fully networked combat platform rather than simply a standalone battle tank. The Altay's presence at SAHA Expo 2026 also highlighted the next stage of Turkey's armored modernization program. Following years of development and testing, the platform is now moving toward larger-scale production and operational deployment within the Turkish land forces. As domestic production capabilities continue to expand, the Altay is expected to become the backbone of Turkey's armored forces for decades to come, representing not only military modernization, but also the growing strength of the country's defense industry.
Turkey has introduced a powerful new counter-drone defense system that combines the Alka-directed energy weapon with the Kaplan hybrid armored vehicle. Revealed at SAHA Expo 2026 in Istanbul by Turkish defense companies Roketsan and FNSS, the platform is designed to protect frontline forces from the growing threat of low-cost drones and loitering munitions. The system uses two layers of defense. First, electromagnetic jamming disrupts enemy drones electronically. If that is not enough, a high-energy laser can physically destroy the target. This combination allows forces to neutralize drone swarms without wasting expensive missiles or large amounts of ammunition. Mounted on the hybrid-powered Kaplan-tracked vehicle, the platform can move alongside tanks and mechanized units while generating the electrical power needed for continuous laser operations. Its diesel-electric design also enables silent movement and extended surveillance, making it highly effective for frontline and border security missions. Alka is capable of detecting and tracking up to 100 aerial targets, including mini-drones, swarm UAVs, and loitering munitions. Beyond air defense, the system can also help neutralize roadside bombs and unexploded ordnance, expanding its role in urban combat and convoy protection. For NATO and allied forces, the importance of this system lies in its mobility, low operating cost, and ability to provide repeated close-range defense against cheap aerial threats. As drone warfare continues to reshape modern battlefields, Turkey is positioning itself not only as a producer of unmanned systems, but also as a leader in the technologies designed to defeat them.